How to delete marketplace messages all at once. Let's get started. Launch your messenger. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Click on the option of marketplace. With that, you will be able to find all of the marketplace messages. Now how to delete all the messages all at once. Unfortunately, right now within Facebook, there is no such feature, but what you can do is delete these messages manually. All you need to do is swipe to the left. You will get this option of more. Click on it. Now click on delete. Delete this entire conversation. Click on delete. So you can apply this process and delete all the available messages. So right now within Facebook, you cannot delete marketplace messages all at once. But if in the future Facebook comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. I hope now you guys are clear if you can delete marketplace messages all at once or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.